how to schedule send text messages on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, open up the text messages app. Next, in here, you can start a new text conversation or open up an existing text conversation. And from here, go to your text box and type in your text message. After that, touch and hold on the send button. Touch and hold. Then you will see the schedule send dialog box. From here, you can choose one of the suggested time, or you can tap on select date and time. Here, choose the date, and then tap on next, and then we choose the time. So select when you want to send the text, and select AM or PM. Select the time. Say 6:05, or we can choose at 4:55, and then tap on the set button. After that, tap on the send button, and it is now scheduled. You can see there is a schedule icon right there, and down here it shows that we have one scheduled message, so we can open it or collapse that message. And then if you want to update the status of that message, you can tap on it. You can choose update message, you can choose send now, or you can delete the message. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.